Wow, look at all of this storage.
Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this brand new lineup from Keystone. This is a 2023 Keystone Cougar Sport 2100 RK. Before we get started, don't forget, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let's hop right in. On the outside, you can notice that it looks a little bit different. It's a petite version of a Keystone Cougar fifth wheel. This fifth wheel is actually half-ton towable, and it's for an amazing price that you don't want to miss. So go ahead and go over to our website and check that out. But on the outside, you can tell the colors are a little bit different. We're a little bit more on the black stripe side instead of that tan color versus the other Cougars that we have seen. But I really like it. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments below. But we also have, for our outdoor entertainment space, a gigantic awning. You do even have that LED light strip below it. And check out all of these speakers. This would be a really awesome place to hang out with your family. You've got plenty of space because there's no slides on this side and some pretty solid steps over there. But let's check out the storage. Here we are in the pass-through storage. Again, 2 lights that are on, off, and motion sensor. We even have a fully finished area so it's easy to clean, and we've got our satellite connections as well as an extra outlet that is solar prepped. This particular unit has the 200i package, but there are many other solar packages on Keystone's website, so check that out. Speaking of solar, your disconnect is going to be here in the pass-through storage, but the regular battery disconnect is going to be located in the front cap or under it, next to your regular battery. Over there, we also have our convenience bay for everything you need when you get to the campground, all of those water needs and everything. But I want to look at one more thing before stepping inside. At the back of this camper, I just wanted to give you guys an opportunity to take a look at what we got here. We are prepped for a camera, and we even have some really nice frameless windows back here. We do have a hitch, and check out this little sport emblem here. I really like the little accent. But as you can tell, we don't have a ladder, but they do prep you for a Lippert ladder. Make sure you don't have to drill any more holes. But before the forklift comes, let's go inside. Stepping inside our entryway, we have to my right some switches that control your slides and lights. They are just switches, but they're easily labeled, so that's always a plus. We also come into this entryway area where you have a nice place to put your shoes down below our dinette option. And you've got plenty of countertop space to drop off your keys and change right here in our rear kitchen. And along with all of that storage, you get some amazing countertop space that has some natural lighting from close windows, and we have plenty of lights above our sink. Our sink is again residential size. I like the chrome accents, and we have all of our cooking area all in one with our stove and a microwave and a matching hood. For this camper, our RV fridge is in the slide out here that also houses our seating option for our living space. So wherever you're sitting, you can definitely grab a drink, or you can enjoy a meal with friends here at the dinette. It does double as a sleeping space if you need it, so that's always something to keep in mind. But check out the windows and even our entertainment system that is right above. But behind me, as you can tell, we have even more storage. This would be really awesome for a pantry or even places for your guests to keep some of their items so they're out of the way. Speaking of guests, you have a trifold sofa located in your slide, so you have a place to keep some of your friends and family, if not that dinette. We also have really nice windows here that have the treatments that go over them, and you even get a light right next to a charging port for any of your guests to go to sleep efficiently. Up a few steps, you get to where your doorways are for your bedroom and your bathroom, but I wanted to point out all of the headspace that you get in a typical Cougar definitely is not missed in this floor plan. So with all the added amenities, you can guess that it is tall people friendly. The bathroom has everything you need for you and your guests. Skip that campground bathroom. It comes with a really nice size sink, big enough for your washing your hands and face. We have a little bit of countertop space for any extra hair tools you may be bringing along. Above that, mirrored front medicine cabinet as always, as well as extra places to hang your towels. You've got your toilet, of course, and check out this shower. There is not very much of a step up to this, but it is very wide. I've got plenty of room in here. Nice skylight, and again, I love that they give you a really nice quality faucet that matches all of your other faucets. The bedroom is located near the front cap, so you do have a little less headroom in this space as you do the others, but it's still very much doable. You can get dressed in here, you can relax, and you don't have to worry about anything. We've got a really nice sized bed. I believe this is a king size bed. I love the comforter they give you. It's very neutral, so you can change it out if you want. On each side, we do have bedside tables with enough space for a CPAP machine, charging ports, and even an outlet. You do have some open storage at the bottom, which would be really handy if you had a cat. They could sleep there, or if you just wanted to keep some things. And above, we've got extra storage and small wardrobes, but there's a surprise. They give you a pretty large wardrobe on the opposite side of your bedroom. It even comes with 3 really large drawers down below. So everything's covered here. So what do you think of this Keystone Sport? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested, this is here for a limited time for such an amazing price. Give us a call or text here at Cookeville RV and Marine, or visit us online at cookvillerv.com where your adventure awaits.